Stress management for teachers. Teaching is an incredibly rewarding profession, but it often comes with high levels of stress. The demands of classroom management, diverse student needs, and the pressure to meet educational goals can be overwhelming. Here are some effective strategies to help you reduce stress, enhance your well-being, and create a positive learning atmosphere. Stress management tips. Embrace technology. Utilize digital tools like time management apps and classroom management software. These resources can streamline grading and communication, freeing up valuable time to focus on your students and reduce your overall workload. Foster a feedback loop. Encourage open communication with your students through quick feedback forms or discussions. This helps you adapt your teaching methods and ensures that students feel heard and engaged in the learning process. Create a dedicated workspace. If you have administrative tasks to complete, set up a specific area in your home or school where it will not mix with your personal routine and interactions. Even for small tasks, a designated workspace helps maintain boundaries between work and personal life, allowing you to unwind more effectively after a busy day. Manage sensory overload. Classrooms can be bustling and noisy. Use the 4x4 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This quick exercise can help you regain focus and calm during hectic moments. Practice emotional first aid. Address emotional stress by breaking negative thought patterns. Engage in hobbies you enjoy, and consider using mindfulness apps or techniques. Seeking support from a counselor can also provide valuable insights and coping strategies. Stress management is an ongoing journey. Tailor these strategies to fit your unique needs and regularly reassess their effectiveness in maintaining your well-being as an educator. Take care of yourself so you can take care of your students. For more tips and resources, visit us at iactteachers.org.